Hi, my name is Fazoman and we will discuss what is the comparison operator in the SQL and how can we use it in the Google BigQuery. So it is these operator all equal to, greater than, or less than, or not equal to. So how can we use it in the Google BigQuery? So this is the Google BigQuery interface. You have to click on the SQL query. So for example, if we write the query like that, we select the two column revenue and the cost. So like first of all we have to use the select. Let me zoom in. So select, then I have to, so my first column name is revenue, then you have to put the comma, then you have to put the second column name cost. So if I add the other column like, so the two are enough I think. So let's from where we want to data pull. So our data is present. Which data which data set? So like you have to click on the data set. So you have to identify in the Google BigQuery what is your data set name. This is the marketing series. So you have to come on and write your data set name. So if you have more than one project, then you have to write the project name as well. So marketing series. So let put the full stop before writing the table name. So what is our table name? So the table name would be present in the data set. You have to click on the marketing series. So there your table name would be appear. So you would see this is our table name, July marketing data. Then you have to come on, you write your table name, and this is the Mar, July marketing July marketing data. So basically, sorry, I have to zoom in to look fine. So I think you can see it clearly. So now I have to write where. So what filter I want to put that. So basically I want in my result that in the revenue I want all the numbers which are larger than 60. So large and 16s I want to need it. So how can we put it? Basically you have to put the column name. So our column name is revenue, and now you have to so what is revenue? So basically we want that it would be larger than all the values which are larger than 60 would be, so then you have to put the, and we put the number 16. So this is our query. You can see this is able to run, but it would so yes, I would click on the run to see our result. So let me click on this. So you can see all the values in the revenue are above the 60s. Okay, so you can put other condition like that, um, like for example we apply the filter. So we apply the filter on both, like we put and logical operator and the cost. So in the cost I need all the values which are above the 88. So like that, so you have to put this, and I would put the 88. So like 88. Now in the cost column, all the value will be above the 88. So let me check. It would run the result. So you will see the result in the cost. All the values are above the 88, and in the revenue all the above. So in through the comparison operator um, you can write your, for example if I want less than, so for example if I want that my values are less than 100. So all the values would be less than 500. Let, so and in the cost, all values will be less than, so less than 400. So now we have to run the query. So now you can see that in the both the column revenue and the cost, in the revenue all the value less than 500, and in the cost all the value will be less than 400. So let me see the result. So you can see that no one is above in the revenue 500 or no one in the 400. So through by applying the comparison method, you can extract your exact value what you want through your data. So now we use the equal and the non-equal operator. So like for example, I would put the another uh, another another column. So column name would be traffic source. So traffic source. So now I have to put another. So I want to say that and traffic source is equal. We know that what is the equal. Traffic source would be equal Google. So now you would see that in the traffic source column, that I have to put complete column name traffic source. So now you can see our query would be run, and in the traffic source all the values will be Google. So let's it is the equal query. So let me check that result. So you can see that in our third column all the values are Google. So let's see if I want only, the condition is that if I want that in the traffic source just Google not present, all other source would be present, just only Google not present, then you have to put non-equal. So you have to put the this sign. So this would show that it would be non-equal to Google. Then the Google will be eliminated and all other source would be present. This sign would be non-equal. So now I have to run our query to see that it would work or not. So let's see our result. So you would see the result. You can see that Google is not present, but all other source, traffic source is present. So through this, by applying the logical operators, you can extract your values which you want to extract. So this is from me. Thank you so much.